What's going on, YouTube? So, today I'm going to be doing two unboxings. I received a couple of items from the Amazon Vine Voices program. These came to me at no cost through that program. Now, I do want to make a disclaimer that I did not have any direct contact with Amazon, nor have I had any contact with the seller of the actual item. Amazon only fulfilled the shipment, and I'm not getting paid for the review that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be completely unbiased, and yeah, so no compensation or anything. But as I had mentioned in a post I made, I'm only picking things that I find would be of use to myself. I'm not doing this just to, I can get free stuff and no, like I'm not going to cover my house in Amazon stuff that I'm never going to use. So I'm actually picking things that I will find useful and that I hope some of you may find useful as well. So yeah, all right, let's start the first part of the unboxing. All right, so what do we have here? What do we have? This is what I chose to hopefully try out. Well, to try out, and hopefully it's going to be good. This is the TekTurn 4K Ultra High Def 2160p autofocus, various mounting indicator light, privacy protection, auto light correction, built-in HQ, dual microphone, aluminum body. Anyway, yes, it's a pseudo 4K Ultra HD webcam. Let's see what's in the box. A little foam packing. And let's see here, USB-C cable, I believe. Yep, USB-C cable. It's actually pretty long. It's actually long, and it's a thick cable too. So it's actually very good quality cable. At least from the preliminary feel I have here. And it looks like it's shielded, so no interference. Let's see what else is in here. We'll get to that part in a minute. What is this? Oh, okay, little little lens cap. That's cute. And metal tripod. Now my other tripod, these little feet pulled out. Oh, this one does too. It's telescopic. It is telescopic. So this piece here is to unlock that. So, I mean, it really, you don't have to turn it very much, and it's locked. That's actually interesting. So it does have these little tripod feet that do stand out. That's decent. All right, well, let's collapse you back down. And the tripod is full metal, except for this rubber area here to grab the webcam. And let's move on to the webcam. Wow, this is a big webcam. Oh man. Yeah, this is pretty big. Now, that's all that came in the box. I mean, there's more of the foam packing in here, but there's no instructions at all whatsoever. There's no software to download, nothing. Apparently it's got two microphones, I guess left and right, obviously. And I thought there was a little light here, but I don't think that is a light. Is that a sensor? No, it was just the plastic. Yeah, it's plastic bubble. So apparently there's some indicator light or something. Oh, okay, actually I think it might be this ring around here that may light up. Interesting. Very, very interesting. And it seems, I mean, it does maneuver quite a bit, so you can have it mounted on, the usual, mounted on the top of your screen. So it would just sit like this. I think this will actually come in good for my live videos and stuff. I think this will actually, as long as the image quality and the audio quality is good. Well, the audio quality, I can always just use my microphone, but hopefully the image quality on this is really good. And yeah, I mean, that's literally all there is in here. There's no instructions whatsoever. And apparently it's just plug and play. So what does it say back here? Plug and play with USB 2.0 plug and play connectivity. There is no complicated driver installation. Just plug the webcam into a computer and you're all set. So that's actually very, very convenient. And apparently it's got high sensitivity autofocus as well, which we'll see how that works without having any software to control it. So anyway, that is the unboxing of the TekTurn TW400 4K Ultra HD webcam. Let's see what's next. Now this item is actually something I was hoping somebody was going to come out with, because I currently have a DJI OM4 gimbal, and I always wanted something. I always thought, you know, there's got to be some way to be able to make a gimbal, motorized gimbal for a smartphone that actually works, but you have an adjustable arm so you can actually change the height. Because there are times when the DJI just isn't quite tall enough, you know, on its own, and then there's other times where I can't get it to the right height because the only options I have is to mount it to a tripod or you know, to a light stand, or just hold it in my hand, which isn't always the most convenient thing to do. So when I found out that there was this thing, which is a gimbal selfie stick, so this will be interesting to see how it works. There we go. There we go. All right, let's get this down here. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Come on out. Whoops. Okay. This packaging is actually not too bad. So this time you actually get a manual. Woohoo! Okay. And it is in multiple languages. Okay, so there we go. There is English. Okay. You got a power button, you've got a remote control. And it's got, so it's controlled by Bluetooth. I don't think there's an app. I'm not sure though. I don't think there actually is a, yeah. And it explains how to use the stabilizer, remote control connection, how to charge the stabilizer. I'm pretty sure you just plug it in. Click twice. Yeah, it's got some special functions, inception function mode and stuff like that. Okay, you can calibrate it as well. All right, and warm tips as well. And is that it for, yeah, that's it for English. So it's 11 pages. Not bad, not bad. All right, so let's see what's actually in here. It's actually pretty heavy. Okay, so charging cable, USB-C. All right. Finally, we've reached a standard where everything is USB-C. It's about time. And it comes in this nice carry bag, gimmick. And the model actually is, yeah, there we are, WS21006. So it's WS21006. Interesting. Interesting model number name for this thing. And let's see what this is all about. So, lock to the left, loose to the right. What are they talking about? Alright, oh, flip you open. Okay, so that's pretty, it's pretty stiff actually. Then I guess, yeah, so just opening this here. A bit stiffer than I thought it would be. And let's see, okay, so there's a power button here. Interesting. I believe these tripod legs open up. Yep. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. See in the center here? That's what I was talking about. That's what I was waiting for. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to readjust this. And now, let's take this and let's extend it. There we go. Put that down. And now it's up here. This is great. This is exactly what I was looking for. It's perfect. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's pretty exciting. I'm excited for this one. Okay, and there's the remote control here. It's magnetic. Oh, yeah, it's got a holder right there. Boom, magnet, boom, unmagnet. USB-C charging again. Ba-bam. And let's see here. And this, actually pretty big clamp. Oh, okay, I see what they mean. So, there, it's unlocked. And yeah, clamp is actually really stiff. It's good though. It's good. Alright, let's see what happens here. Press and hold to turn it on. Hopefully it does something. Maybe I should look at the instructions before I actually just start messing with this. Let's power that on. Does that do anything? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. It just powered on. Okay. It's not quite like the DJI that has software all built in, where it knows if a phone is on there or not. Let's see. So if I press and hold this, what does that do? Okay, yeah. There's that Inception spin around thing. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using this thing. That's pretty sick. It's about time someone came up with a gimbal that actually had adjustable height. That is exactly what I was looking for. It's perfect. All right, well, I'm going to power this bad boy off. And throw that back in there. Go to the side here. Oh, it's got a little green light here to let you know that it's powered. And I'm going to turn that off. Hopefully. Yeah. I guess, yeah, that's off. And then turn this. That's what they meant by lock. All right, well, that's it. That is the unboxing of my 2 latest items from the Amazon Vine Voices program. So there you have it. If you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Helps me out. And if you want to support the channel, that info's at the bottom as usual. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And you'll see me on my next video. I'm excited, and I'm out.